for the first bucket load of concrete. Pretty nifty. He doesn't even have to get out of the driver's seat. Everything's from the front of the truck nowadays. Man, it looks like super thick porridge. Almost looks like a gravel mix. We'll see if they got some liquid in there. Alright, we got a log jam. He's up there with a sprayer. Try and get some water in there. Alright, I think we got a little movement. This whole load is that thick, that's going to be a little challenging. Yeah, it's going to be challenging, man. That stuff is super thick. shot of Rust-Oleum on the new dirt lip. It's almost ready to roll. They come in handy with getting extra fill. Yeah, I mean it's pretty hefty, but that counterweight is just perfect.
The Branson doesn't get dirty.
Burned it all up, baby. Perfect. We had a little extra. This is not gonna be cool. So much for a nice level. Ah, come on. Yeah, hit the rebar. Ugh, really?
Oh, don't fall into that quicksand.
I think I got it.
That's a pretty big concrete pad for a little box there. I don't think it's going anywhere.
We gotta calculate the weight on this sucker. Alright, I had about a bucket and a quarter, bucket and a half, a little extra. I'm just putting it on this little concrete crossing that we've got from a couple of years ago to get rid of the extra. I'm gonna have to just smoothen this out with my foot, you know, or a stick or something, because I got to get back and help Mrs. Kapper get that form set, or you know, the antenna base. Come on. And then I got to get this sprayed off here for nothing, you know, nothing hardens up on the bucket. Alright, we parked a couple machines here to try and keep deer out, because if they were to step on that middle plate before it was hardened, they'd really ruin it. I guess I could bring the excavator up here too.